Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can add social proof and make your shop look more trustworthy by adding recent customer reviews pop-ups to your shop. By using customer reviews pop-ups, your shop will make the impression that it's frequently being visited by other customers and you will get a higher conversion rate and more sales. Okay, so first visit the Popify dashboard and click on New Notification. Scroll down and select the reviews pop-up type. Select the design you would like to use for the reviews pop-ups. You can choose between three options. And then select the reviews app you're currently using to show reviews at your shop. Make sure that the app you select is installed on your shop before creating the pop-up. And then select the reviews you would like to show. So for now, let's leave it like that to show all product reviews. On this section, you can choose on what pages to show the pop-up. So let's leave it on all pages for now. And here we're gonna set the position of the pop-up on the screen. Click on Next. On this step, you can change the design of the pop-up. You can select one of the Popify custom templates or create your own design. So let's change the background color to black and the text color to white. You can also change the review stars color. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on the Launch button. Popify will save your changes and activate the pop-up to start showing at your shop. Let's view the shop and refresh the page. And here is the pop-up. Let's wait for another one. Note that if a customer clicks on the review, you will get redirected to the product page where you can purchase the item. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for our channel for more dropshipping tips and updates. See you next time.